Hello and welcome back. I am Gaurav Rastogi with the fourth chapter, which is Quadratic Equation of class 10th ICSE as well as CBSE. Okay, so let's start. But before that, I want to inform you to ignore all the stupid kind of comments done by anyone in the comment section and do learn, because you are seeing the video to learn. Okay. Let us start with the chapter. What is a quadratic equation? An expression, an equation written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is called a quadratic equation. In the polynomial chapter also we discussed about this. Moving further, how to solve a quadratic equation. Solving a quadratic equation means to taking out the value of x in the equation. There are three ways to do this. The first one is factorization method, in which we use the middle term split. By completing the square, we used to make the equation such that in the form of a square minus b square, to write it in the form of a plus b, a minus b, and then the Shridharacharya formula, which will be taught to you in this chapter. So let us start with the factorization method. Suppose you have this equation. This can be written as 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. Grouping. Okay, now what I have done is done the middle term split. How to do the middle term split? See, when the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we multiply the a and the c, okay, the coefficient of x square and the constant term, and then we used to find such two numbers that add up or subtract to give b. Fine. Where m and n are the factors of ac. You can see over there m plus n will give you b, where m and n are the factors of AC. I hope you have understood. So in the equation you can see a is 2 and c is 3. So 2 into 3 gives you 6. Factors of a and AC which add up or subtract up to give you 5 is itself 2 and 3. So I have written as 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. 2x square minus 2x is grouped together and 3x minus 3 is grouped together, and then the common things are taken out. In 2x square minus 2x, 2x is the common thing and the rest is written in the bracket, which is x minus 1. Moving further, then it is subtracted to 3x minus 1, which is again 3 is taken out, minus 3 is taken out from the 3x minus 3x plus 3 and written as minus 3 in the bracket x minus 1 equals to 0. Then from this equation x minus 1 is taken out as common and written as x minus 1 in one bracket and 2x minus 3 in another bracket. So both the brackets are multiplying. So can we say that x minus 1 will go to the denominator and 2x minus 3 will be equal to 0? And the opposite may also happen, where x minus 1 will be equal to 0 and you can say x is equals to 1. In the second way, you can say 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x will be equal to 3 by 2. Now let's see the same equation in the other two method also and find that are the answers coming same or not. By completing the square. Now here what we have to do, we have to make the equation such that it is in the form of a square minus b square, so that we can write it in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So we got the same question, x square minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Now what we did, we said x minus 5 by 4 whole square is equals to x square plus 24 by 16 minus 5 by 2x. Now x square minus 5 by 2x is in the equation, but 24 by 16 is not in the equation. So we will subtract it from that, which is 25 by 16 should be there. So x minus 5 by 4 ka whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Okay, moving further. It is written, now we are solving it out, where 3 by 2 and 25 by 16 are solved to give you x minus 5 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. It is written as a plus b, a minus b, and we got the answer x is equals to 3 by 2 and x is equals to 1. Please solve it and you will find the same answer. I hope so. Moving further, this is the Shridharacharya formula, which says that the x is equals to, or the solution of the equation is equals to, minus of b plus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, or x is equals to minus of b plus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. If the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Mind one thing, that many a times what used to happen, that in hurry the children used to write minus b plus and then take the division of root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is whole divided by 2a, and minus b will also come. Moving further to the same question, we took the equation, solved the equation to 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then written the same formula. Then put the numbers where a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to 3, and please don't forget to write b is equals to minus 5, or else your question will go wrong, because the equation which was ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if it was there minus 3, then we must have written c equals to minus 3. Okay, then we did the solution of the equation as you can see over here, and we got x equals to 3 by 2 or x equals to 1. So in all the three formulae we got the same answer, means all the three formulae are correct, and we have understood all the three formulae using the same example.